Good morning. All right, so check us out. We're fixing to knock out a huge build. We've got a server, a floating island, a table, 4 chairs, and a bench, all to be done in the next week in order to stay on time. All right, let's get this knocked out. We're about to make the first cut right now, and we're gonna start the server first, just because I wanna go ahead and get that bad boy out of the way. So those pieces we just cut out right there, those are going to be the top, the bottom, the 4 legs, and the back, top, and bottom as well. That's going to be our frame mount. We're going to go ahead and start getting that set up. Missing just a little bit, but I made these little homemade wedges because there's a gap, but I want the gap to be even so that I have a middle piece that is completely straight center to the middle. Knocking out this. Here's the deal. That's the video I'm editing right now, putting out. That has taken me 2.5 hours. So if you've watched this far, leave a comment and tell me that you've watched to this point. You know, and I appreciate all the support. Man, this has been going awesome. This has been going great. We're pumping out a whole lot of builds, and I'm gonna keep videoing as many as the people will let me. So far, everyone that I've asked has allowed me to video these last couple. I look forward to the rest of them, guys. Thank y'all.